In this example, we want to use some formulas to extract the unique list. Because we've got multiple columns and we are considering a duplicate where all of these are the same, we're going to make use of a concatenate. So the formula I'm going to create is concatenate, and I'll tell it to combine that with that, with that. We can now copy this all the way down. So what we have now is a unique reference, and then using the COUNTIF formula, I can work out which of these are duplicates. So I'm going to specify that the criteria it's looking for is that cell there, and it must look in this entire range. We mustn't forget to put the dollar signs on. And when I say OK, you'll see it tells me that it sees this item twice. Copy it down, and you'll see there's various numbers here. If I want to now extract that, what I could do is go to Data, put my filter on, could then go over here, and I can say I only want to see items that appear once. When I say OK, the shortlist appears, and because of how clever the data filter is, I can highlight it and copy it, and you'll notice that it's highlighting only the visible cells. And I can place it, for example, over here and paste it. And what I now have is the unique items out of this list.